Okay, so now we're going into fractional exponents. And fractional exponents, when it comes to simplifying them, work the exact same way as integer, except now we're just dealing with fractions. One thing to note, whenever you have a fractional exponent as opposed to an integer exponent, you need to put parentheses around that exponent. It's not necessary. So for example, like x squared can just be x root 2. You don't need to put parentheses around 2, and if you were to do that, the answer keys aren't keyed that way. But for like x to the 3 over 2, it needs to have a parentheses around the 3 over 2. So let's look at the very first problem. So here, once again, 2 times 4 times 2. We just multiply that together. That's 2 times 4 is 8, times 2 is 16. So that's going to be 16. And then we would get x to the 3 over 2 plus, we're multiplying the bases, so we add the x's, minus 1/4 plus 2. And now we just need common denominators, 1, 2, 4. And so we can rearrange this to 6 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus 8 over 4. And when you do that, you should get 16x. And then what you would do is you would type parentheses, some value divided by some value. Except I think I did the slash the wrong way. I think it's supposed to be slash some value like this. So 16x to some value minus some value. Whatever you get when you simplify these numbers. 19 works very similar. We have 4 times 2. That's just going to be 8, which is going to be some number, right? Times u, once again, you add your u's. And it may need to flip down. So it's going to be, so I think it looks like it's going to be u is in the denominator. And then v's, you're going to have your v's in the numerator. And it might be some number, but remember, if this number is 1, then you just leave it as u. You wouldn't put it as like a number or anything there.